Above the rolling tides and along the jagged shorelines, a familiar figure soars the seagull. Seagulls are bold and intelligent, often seen snatching snacks from unsuspecting beachgoers. Their problem-solving abilities rival those of crows and ravens, making them one of the most cunning birds in the animal kingdom. Seagulls possess a pair of salt glands located above their eyes, allowing them to drink seawater and excrete the excess salt through their nostrils. This adaptation is vital for their survival in marine environments. They have a wide range of vocalizations and body language to communicate. They use specific calls to warn of predators, establish territory, or signal food availability to their flock. Seagulls have been observed using tools, such as dropping hard-shelled prey like clams or crabs onto rocks to crack them open. This behavior showcases their intelligence and problem-solving skills. Thanks to their webbed feet and buoyant bodies, seagulls are excellent swimmers. They can float on water for long periods, an essential skill for resting and foraging in aquatic habitats. Beyond natural prey like fish and crustaceans, seagulls are opportunistic feeders, scavenging from human activity and even feeding on discarded food in urban areas. This diet adaptability contributes to their widespread success. Seagulls are known to learn by watching others. Young seagulls often mimic adults to develop hunting and foraging techniques, passing on survival skills within their communities. Many seagulls are migratory and can travel thousands of miles between breeding and wintering grounds. Their excellent navigational abilities help them return to specific nesting sites year after year.